It was 1889 when Carl Berkenhoff founded his own small wire company in Herborn, Germany. In over 130 years, Berkenhoff has developed into a global leader in high-precision wires for EDM, electronic, medical and optical industries, as well as for the welding and brazing industry. In 2015, China Powerway Group wholly acquired Berkenhoff. Our brand Bedra is well known to customers from all over the world. Together, we provide high-quality products for demanding markets. Increasing need for lightweight applications inspired us to enlarge our product range towards aluminum. We have combined our experience of more than one century with specialists from the aluminum sector. That's why we are now ready to produce aluminum wires for welding and brazing in well-known Bedra quality. We think ahead and are already working today on the innovations for tomorrow. Our wires are engineered to outperform.